Hi, welcome.
Welcome to our holiday home in Sa Ràpita, Mallorca.
Please come in.
Come in, we'll show you around.
Here we start with our outdoor area, which is definitely my favorite spot of the home. We like to spend a lot of time in our grand terrace, and we also like our heated pool a lot.
Yes, we also have a nice garden to sit in and enjoy the sun. And if the weather's less fine, then we can enjoy our sauna. So here we are in the living area, where we can sit in the saloon, where we very much enjoy our Mediterranean style with the natural stone wall. We also have all the stuff available, like a big TV, Wi-Fi, and all the stuff we need.
And there's also a very well-equipped kitchen. When you need to do something in the kitchen, when you need to cook, everything is available. It's almost like being at home. We're from Belgium, Antwerp.
Yes, the northern part of Belgium.
It was a bit exciting in the beginning.
It was very exciting in the beginning when we decided to go forth with it or to purchase it. First of all, we had lots of questions. A major concern was, will we be able to have our times available? Yeah. Will all the summer weeks be gone already? Will we have to come in winter? But it turns out that the booking system that MYNE has makes it possible for us to have our times in the summer, but also in the off-season or even in winter time.
The booking system of MYNE, they thought it through very well, the way it works. We didn't expect it to be this easy and in the best interest of all the co-owners, I think.
We spend our time here mostly outside. So when it's sunny, we sit outside on the terrace. We make use of the pool. We also like to go out for walking, hikes, and also visit some towns. And every time we look for someplace new where we can have a nice dinner. So nice restaurants, and Mallorca has lots of nice restaurants, really. So every time we find something new.
When we arrive, everything is ready. The beds are made, the towels are ready, everything you need.
Clean. The pool
is available. There are things like salt and pepper. You don't have to go to the shop and we leave. We just pull the door.
You just close the door behind you and you just leave. You just have to make sure the bin is empty and you cover the outside furniture. So that's basically it. What really convinced us was the way we could own our own holiday home without all the fuss about management, taxes, maintenance. Everything's there, all you need is there. Everything is being taken care of, like cleaning the pool, garden work. If something gets broken, it gets fixed. So we don't have to worry about anything. Every owner has its own storage room, and in there we store some stuff so we don't have to carry them back and forth all the time.
Something to start our holiday with.
Yes, a bottle of wine. We leave a bottle of wine behind, so when we come back the next time we can immediately start with a nice glass of wine on the terrace.